Last year, Governor Murphy signed my bill S 1147 that took aim at lead paint and dust, which is the most common source of lead exposure, especially in our urban centers. This closed a loophole in the state's existing lead testing regulations, and now the law requires that if lead is found, affected tenants are eligible to be moved into lead-safe housing with financial help from the Department of Community Affairs. As you know, our children, especially in our urban areas, are the ones who have long suffered the medical impact of exposure.
A lot of times people think that what we do doesn't make sense. Everything is intimately tied. And someone will say, how are you in this lead space? Well, I'm in this lead space because I'm chair of the education committee. And you know that if a child is exposed to lead, whether it's in the water or in lead paint, that their outcome in the public school system is one that will easily get derailed.
In 2017, across the state, 2.5% of kids between 6 months and 26 months of age showed high amounts of lead in their blood levels, with the numbers rising during the pandemic. This is why our work must continue. Through our legislation, New Jersey has become the fourth state in the nation to enact policy targeted at ensuring our residential properties are free of lead-based paint. In addition to this, we saw the Herculean effort that the City of Newark undertook. It was a collaborative endeavor with the County of Essex and the State of New Jersey, showing that when government comes together, we can truly impact and protect the health of our residents, communities, children, and families, which should be the top priority for all those in public service. Thank you to all of you and your advocacy efforts for always bringing into the fold the priorities and the critical need. That we have to be sure that in our homes, every single human being, regardless of zip code and what we look like, we should be safe.
Thank you to the network, to Stacy Berger, and all of the board members for this great acknowledgement this year. Sorry I couldn't be with you all to join in the celebration. But quite frankly, today's award that you've been given to me should be shared with everyone who is under that one roof. It takes a collective consciousness to be sure that we are focused on policy that protects every human being in the state of New Jersey. And so I am in a debt of gratitude to all of you for your advocacy, for your partnership, for your power, and for always remembering that without healthy communities, we are nowhere here in the Garden State. Congratulations to everyone else, and especially to everyone attending.